It's a busy afternoon in London when Finn spots something out of place. A lost wallet filled with cash and cards, sitting right on the pavement instead of walking by. Finn heads straight to the nearest station. He knows that for someone out there, this isn't just leather and paper, it's their peace of mind. When the officer offers him a reward for his honesty, Finn doesn't hesitate to decline. For him, the real reward isn't the money. It's knowing he did the right thing. Seeing the relief on the face of the young man who lost it makes it all worth it. It's a simple gesture that reminds us all. Integrity doesn't have a price tag. Finn walks away with a lighter step and a smile, proving that a little kindness can brighten even the busiest city. Honesty still exists. If you would have done the same thing as Finn, smash that like button and subscribe for more stories that restore your faith in humanity. See you in the next one.